We are to simplify this. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that the base is the same for all the terms that we have there. Now we have base 2 here, the 2 is the base here, 4 is the base here and 8 is the base here. Thank God 4 can be expressed in terms of 2 and 8 can also be expressed in terms of 2. So that means we'll be having 2 power x plus 1 dot, if you are to express 4 in terms of 2, this will give 2 square, right? Then we have this power there already. Then let's put it in the given bracket, and then this will be divided by 2 power 3, that's 8, and this will be in brackets. Now let's simplify further so that we have, don't forget that when we have dot here for indices rule, a power b dot a power c will be equal to a power b plus c. So here now that means we'll be having 2 power x plus 1, then plus, let's open this bracket, 2 times x will be 2x, then 2 times -2 will be -4. So that this will now be 2 power x plus 2x is 3x, then 1 minus 4 is -3. Then don't forget that we still have divided by 2 power. Let's simplify this. 3 times x, that's 3x, then minus 9. Now let's do the same thing for this one. Now we're having division, that means it will become minus. So we have 2 power 3x minus 3, then minus 3x minus 9, such that this will give 2 power 3x minus 3, then minus 3x plus 9, because this negative times negative will become positive. 3x minus 3 will become 0, this will become 0. So we are left with -3 plus 9, and this will be 2 power, sorry, this will be 2 power 6. And what is 2 power 6? That will be 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16 times 2 32 times 2, that is 64. So 2 power 6 will be 64, and that is the answer to this question.